This video will demonstrate how easy it is to create standby directories automatically in the cloud on a scheduled basis with Cayosoft Guardian Instant Forest Recovery. First, I will create a recovery plan for standby forest. By default, it will recover one domain controller per domain in your forest and clean up the metadata for any unrecovered domain controllers in your forest. Also, by default, it will automatically maintain 2 copies of your Active Directory forest in the cloud at any given time, and you can easily change the number of forests you'd like to maintain. Now I just have to set a schedule for how often I'd like my forest to restore automatically. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to do a one-time restore, but normally I'd probably do this every day. Notice that my restore has started automatically based on my schedule, and now we can take a look at the steps involved to create my forest in the cloud automatically. It starts by creating a brand new resource group, which we call a recovery site in Azure, with all of the brand new VMs needed to restore Active Directory. And then it goes through the full Active Directory restore process. And at the end, we'll shut down the servers. And you can use these for testing or in the event of a true outage. And since you've already done all of your testing, you know that when you go to use these VMs, you have confidence everything will work as needed because you've already done your testing. And now if you experience a real outage, you simply need to power on the VMs, modify network traffic to route authentication to the cloud, and you are back up and running. And that is Cayosoft Guardian Instant Forest Recovery.